I like to disconnect all these hoses, the fuel line, take this off on this end. Okay, simply by depressing this little, if you look, inspect it, you will find a little piece right here you can push in and pull up, get that out of the way. Then on the other end of the fuel line, just so you don't mix them up, using the same tool, squeeze the clamp and disconnect that. It will rotate around so you can swing that right out of the way. Okay, next, the line from the hose, we'll put that over here. For the cooling tank, put that over there. Take the cooling tank. Before we move the cooling tank, we need to disconnect the power steering hose.